Today I want us to look at financial maths and continue with the questions as well as with our practice to prepare for your June, March, as well as more especially final examination in November. Alright, so we have this question here, simple question. The value of a piece of machinery depreciates from 20,000 rands to 10,000 rands in 4 years. So the duration of depreciation of this machine is within 4 years. So we have to calculate what is the rate of depreciation, and we have to correct that in 2 decimal places. So if it is calculated on the straight line method. Alright, so here we are dealing with depreciation. So you know that when we're dealing with depreciation, we have minus, meaning that we have subtraction in our formula. Alright, yeah, I think everyone is with me. Alright, so we have straight line basis. We have some words, couple of words we have to underline there and kind of define so that you can be reminded. Alright, so we have to use the rate of, yes, the rate of depreciation has to be calculated on the straight line method. Alright, so let's take that down. Okay, straight line method. Okay, that's going to be A is equals to P1 minus I multiplied by number of years. Alright, okay, so you know that this I is multiplying with N. Okay, hope everyone is here. Alright, so what's the accumulated amount? Alright, remember that initially, so that principal amount means that initially the machine costs 20,000 rands, but after 4 years depreciated to cost 10,000 rands. So mean that 20,000 rands is the principal amount and 10,000 rands is the accumulated amount. Is the amount that now the machine values. Okay, so that's going to be 10,000 rands for the accumulated amount after 4 years. Principal amount, principal initially, it was 20,000 rands. The machinery, piece of machinery was 20,000 rands. Okay, so that's going to be 1 minus I we're looking for multiplied by 4. Alright, so that's going to be 10,000 rands, 20,000 okay, so I mean that's going to be 1 minus 4i. Okay, let's start with that one. Okay, so on this side we have 10,000 is equals to 20,000 multiplied by 1 bracket then, which basically means we have to multiply. Alright, so that's going to be 20,000 multiplied by negative 4i, that's going to be minus 80,000 I, right? Okay, so let's group the like terms so that you can find the value of I, which is the interest. So let's take 20,000 to the left hand side, change the sign becomes negative 20, so that's 10,000 minus 20,000, so that's going to be negative 10,000. Okay, is equals to negative 80,000 I. So we divide by the coefficient of the interest, so that's going to be 80,000 divided by negative 80,000 both sides, so this cancels this, so we're left with I because negative 1 divided by negative 1 is going to be positive, so that our I will be equals to, okay, I hope everyone can see. Alright, so that's going to be negative 10,000 divided by this, which is going to be 1 over 8. Then we take this into decimal because remember that we're looking for the rate of depreciation. So that's going to be 1 over 8, which is equals to 1 over 8 is 0.25. So our I is equals to 0.125. So remember, in this case, or in this portion now, we're looking for the rate of depreciation. So this is the interest, the rate of depreciation. That's going to be, we're going to multiply by 100. Okay, yes, to to be given in percentage. So let's multiply that with 100 and the correct answer. So our R, rate of depreciation, so sorry, small letter r, rate is equals to 12.5%. That's how it goes. So the rate of depreciation there is 12.5%, something like that. Yeah, so please keep practicing. Have a great one. Cheers.